Hello and welcome. Till now we have exploited the system and got a interpreter session. Now we can do everything on the target system as a privileged user and an administrator user. But what if the target system shut down the computer or simply log out from that session and the user leaves that computer? In that case, you will not be able to connect again with that system. Many things can happen. Suppose you have exploited the target system and meanwhile the target system has applied the patch for the exploit so that you won't be able to exploit the target again and get a interpreter session and shell prompt. At that case, what we can do is just make a persistent backdoor on that system in order to get a connection back to our interpreter session and meta-exploit automatically. I will do a step by step. This is the interpreter session as we have got in the earlier in exploitation sections. So now it's time to make a persistent backdoor. It is easy to make with the interpreter and simply put on the target system to connect back to our meta-exploit console and get a interpreter sessions again and again. So meta-exploit and meta-interpreter also offers a persistent backdoor. You do not have to do anything more. Simply type some command like run persistence with the options. So I will use my one that I generally use, that is run persistence with the switch U. In this way it will automatically connect to my exploit handler and my meta-exploit console whenever a user logs on to that computer. Hit the enter and make a persistent backdoor. There are another method too by which you can make a persistent backdoor like Nishang, Power Exploit. This I have installed a backdoor on the target system and this is the file name. In Visual Basic the code has been written and it have also installed auto run so that whenever a user logs in it will be automatically running and connecting back to our interpreter session. As we have created the backdoor, now I have just moved out from the interpreter session. Now let's log out this user. Now I will run the meta-exploit handler so that whenever a user will log in, it will give us a interpreter session. That is the RC script that I have made and I use always. Now I will log in to the victim machine. Now let's see our interpreter session. Great, it have got a interpreter session again. Every time a user will log in, we will get a interpreter session. So practice and use all the features of interpreter persistent backdoor so that you will get more about this super cool features. Thank you.